And today's our topic is object lifecycle in Java. First of all, in Java, an object goes through a well-defined life cycle from creation and destruction. Understanding this life cycle is essential for effective memory management and preventing a memory leaks in our programs. So here are some breakdown of the typical stages of an object life cycle in Java. So first is the creation and initialization. In this phase, this phase begins when you use the new keyword to initialize the object from a class blueprint. And second is a new memory is allocated on the heap, especially a region of memory for objects to hold the object data or the fields. The object constructor is invoked to initialize its fields with the default values or the values you provide during creation. Its use are the this is an active phase when the object is referenced by the variable and used in the program logic. The object methods are called to perform operations on its data, and the object can remain in this stage for as long as is needed by our program. So it's unreachable, and its guarantees are the an object becomes unreachable when there are no longer any strong reference pointing to it. So the strong reference are variable in the code that directly hold the object address. So in Java, it is inbuilt garbage collector that's called a GC garbage collector. Java's garbage collector, and it is responsible for identifying and reclaiming a memory occupied by unreachable objects. The fourth is one is about this finalization method. So it's optional. In this, before an object is permanently removed from the garbage collector, the finalize method. Finalize method is invoked. In this method, it is intended for performing cleanup tasks like closing external resources associated with the object. So note that the finalize is not guaranteed to be called and it shouldn't be relied upon the critical cleanup operations. So it's some fifth stage it will be the allocation means once the garbage collector is determines an object is unreachable and has potential executed its finalize method, the object memory is reclaimed and made available for future allocations. By understanding these stages, we can understand the garbage collector. The neurons of memory manage are the as follows. First is reference types means Java is a pass by value language for primitive data types like int or double. When you pass the primitive data type or primitive values to the method, a copy of value is passed. However, for object references, variables holding object addresses and only the reference itself is copied. This means multiple references can point to the same object. It's affecting reachability and garbage collection. So weak references and soft references are wide. Strong references are as the primary way are tracked, and Java offers a weaker reference. Means it's like big reference or soft reference as we can say it. So these references don't prevent garbage collection but can be used for specific scenarios. For instance, a cache might be used as a soft reference to release cache objects under the memory pressure. So garbage collector which has some behavior like we can say it's a generation garbage collection means Java uses a generation garbage collection scheme means young objects are placed in a young generation and in which is frequently called due to the high object collection and its rates surviving objects are and gradually objects are gradually promoted to older focusing on the creation and generation of a less frequent collection. So the GC tuning are as follows means the which while the GC is automatic means it's advanced users can fine tune its behavior using GM flags. This and these overloads patterns means however it's generally recommended to avoid manual tuning unless you have a deep understanding of memory management. And it's some advanced topic that we can say in this are the finalizer pitfalls means it is mentioned finalize earlier than the finalize method called this is guaranteed to be and its introduced performance old. So that's some information about the objects in Java. Thank you.